In this video, I'm going to be showing you a common conversation between a husband and wife in an attempt to teach you the Yoruba language. And believe me, you are going to get a lot from this video. It's a normal way of conversation. So, this is a common conversation between a husband and wife. And husband shouting from the sitting room, sitting with remote in his hand. And then shout on top of the voice, calling the wife. Níbo ni o wà? Níbo ni o wà? Where are you? Where are you? This O here is representing is the you. O. Yo. O. So níbo ni o wà. So níbo ni is like asking where is something. Like someone can, something is happening. Maybe an air crash happened. You can say níbo ni. That is where. That is níbo ni. It's like a collocation. Both words comes together. So that níbo ni, when you say níbo ni, you are inquiring that particular space, particular place that something occurred. So if you say níbo ni o wà, níbo ni o wà, that wa is like presence. Like somebody is in a particular place. That is wa. Wa. So wa. Níbo ni o wà. So where are you? Where are you? So wa. I can say I am in school. It will be mo wà ní school. Mo wà ní school. Wa is like you are present somewhere. That is wa in Yoruba. So the husband is inquiring about the presence of the wife. Níbo ni o wà? Níbo ni o wà? If it is maybe like talking to someone else, maybe like he is asking about all the family, like maybe all of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 10 people are playing. You can only hear their voice, you don't know where they are. Níbo ni ẹ wà? That would be níbo ni ẹ wà. But this one is talking to the wife. Níbo ni o wà? Where are you? And then the wife respond from wherever she is and say on top of her voice and say mo wà ní inú yàrá. Mo wà ní inú yàrá. I am in the room. Ní inú is inside actually. Inú is inside. Yàrá is room. That is inside the room. Of course, some people can remove this inú and say mo wà ní yàrá. That is I am in the room. So let me give you something that I used to tell my private sessions where I talk to people. Whenever you are talking about the presence of something, that something is somewhere, maybe even if it's yourself or whoever is in a place, in a particular place, you are talking about where something is, and it's common in language. Like it's on the fridge, it's under the bed, it's in Nigeria, it's in the USA, it's in this place, it is on that place, we are in whatever. So when we are talking about a presence, that something is somewhere or you are somewhere, you will surely always use wa ni. So if I say I am in church, I am in church, I am in church, that will be mo wà ní church. Mo wà ní church. Church is ilé ìjọsìn. Mo wà ní ilé ìjọsìn. Mo wà ní ilé ìjọsìn. If I say he is in his house, he is in his house. Ó wà ní ilé rẹ̀, his house, ilé rẹ̀, his house, ilé rẹ̀. Ó wà ní ilé rẹ̀. Maybe I'm talking about the remote. The remote is on the table. It's on the table. It's on the table. It will be ó wà ní orí table. It's on the table. It is on the table. Ó wà ní orí table. So whenever you're talking about the location of anything, like talking about presence, that this is where I am, you always use wa ni. Of course, one thing I say about language is consistency of hearing. As you hear it more and more, sync becomes a structure. So mo wà ní inú yàrá. I am in the room. Mo wà ní inú yàrá. So the husband is holding a remote, scrolling through channels and say, shout at the top of his voice for his wife. Níbo ni o wà? Níbo ni o wà? Níbo ni o wà? And the wife responds, mo wà ní inú yàrá. Mo wà ní inú yàrá. Mo wà ní inú yàrá. And then continue. The husband now says, kí ni ò ń ṣe? Kí ni ò ń ṣe? Ṣe is do. Ṣe is do. And I said the last time that Yoruba does not mark past tense or present tense with its verb. She is do. So when you are talking, it's continuous or it's present. It is she is doing. She, that's what our Yoruba she is do. But you English, you just say doing and use ing, and that will signify that it's constant. But Yoruba, we just use with the verb, and that signifies ongoing. That signifies present. So kini òun ṣe. Kini is what. O is like the person, is the pronoun of the use for the word. Kini òun ṣe. What are you doing? What are you doing? Kini òun ṣe. And then the wife said, I am. Ká aṣọ mi. Ká is like fold. Probably you do laundry and then you are folding the clothes. Most of the time people hang, but before hang, sometimes some people still fold their clothes, fold them together, maybe in a box. They are traveling, whatever. So you fold your clothes to travel. So that fold is ka, 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 and that ka is also to pluck something. Pluck something. Ka, to pluck something, and that ka is also to catch. That's just the beauty of Yoruba. When you see mo ka e, that is I caught you, it's like to bump in on a secret. That is ka. If we say mo ka one, that is I caught them. Maybe you bump into a room and 3 people are doing something secretive because mo ka one, that is I caught them. So that's another thing. So, but of course, ka here we are using it as fold. So mo ń ká aṣọ is clothes. Me, mine. Mo ń ká aṣọ mi. I'm folding my clothes. Mo ń ká aṣọ mi. I'm folding my clothes. So the husband said tètè ṣetán. Tètè is quick. You can say tètè, like quick. Tètè, it's like quick. Tètè. Ṣe is do. Tán is complete, like tètè ṣetán, that's quickly do complete. That's just it, but it means like quickly finish it. So the husband said tètè ṣetán ká wo film. Tètè ṣetán ká wo film, like quickly finish it, let's watch film. Film is like movie. Tètè ṣetán ká wo film. English may say see a movie, which is real movie, but Yoruba use wo movie. So tètè ṣetán ká wo film. Yoruba mostly use film. Tètè ṣetán, like ṣetán, complete, like quickly finish it. Ká wo film, let's watch movie. So the wife now respond and say, wá is come. Ràn mí lọ́wọ́ is help me. Wá ràn mí lọ́wọ́, come help me. Come help me. Wá ràn mí lọ́wọ́, come help me. Wá ràn mí lọ́wọ́, come help me. So wá ràn mí lọ́wọ́, come help me. So the husband is like, be quick with it, let's watch a movie. And the wife say, oh, come help me, like wá ràn mí lọ́wọ́. And the husband says, wàhálà rẹ pọ̀. Wàhálà is problem. Rẹ is your. Pọ̀ is plenty. Wàhálà rẹ pọ̀, that is your problem is too much. No, it's not in a bad sense that the husband is saying. It's like your stress is too much, or you are giving me stress. So you are giving me stress. Your stress is too much. That's what is saying. Wàhálà rẹ pọ̀ is many. So wàhálà rẹ pọ̀, your stress, you are giving me stress. That's just the perfect way to say it. Like, you are giving me stress. Wàhálà rẹ pọ̀. That is, you're giving me stress. And then the wife said, this is just like the husband is kind of reluctant to come help the wife. And the husband wants the wife to quickly be done so that they can watch film. But the wife is now calling him to come and help if you want her to be done quickly. Now the husband said, your stress, you are giving me stress. Your stress is too much. And then the husband said, your stress is too much. Then the wife said, Sha mabo. That is just becoming. Sha mabo. Mabo is becoming. But Sha mabo is like just becoming. When you use Sha, it's like there's a backstory to it. Like, I know my stress is too much. Sha mabo. Like, when you use Sha, there is a backstory. So Sha mabo. You can also use Sha mabo for a child. Maybe you told the child before that you are not going to give him cookies, and you are not giving the child. So the child has been crying, and later on you say, Sha mabo. Just becoming that you now want to give the child the cooking. Or Sha wa gba. Wa gba is come and take. Gba is take. Sha wa gba, that is come and take, that you just want to give the child, you want to forgive the person. So that is when you use sha, like when there's a backstory of probably reluctance. So sha mabo, just be coming. The husband now says, Oda mumbo. Oda is okay. Mumbo. Oda mumbo. Okay. 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 Okay, I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming. Forgive my, some of these things weird sometimes. So Oda mumbo. Okay, I'm coming. So you can see it's actually a beautiful story, maybe a little romantic. Like the husband wants to have a good time with the wife is busy in the room, and let me just go through it again. The husband holding the remote. Níbo ni ó wà? Níbo ni ó wà? The wife, mo wà ní inú yàrá. Mo wà ní inú yàrá. Níbo ni ó wà? Níbo ni ó wà? Mo wà ní inú yàrá. Mo wà ní inú yàrá. Kí ni ò ń ṣe? Kí ni ò ń ṣe? Mò ń ká aṣọ mi. Mò ń ká aṣọ mi. Mò ń ká aṣọ mi. I'm folding my clothes. Tètè ṣetán. No, hurry up. Quickly, like finish it quick. Tètè ṣetán. Ká wo film. Let's watch film. Ká wo film. Let's watch film. And then the wife say, yeah, conditional. Wá ràn mí lọ́wọ́. Wá ràn mí lọ́wọ́. Wá ràn mí lọ́wọ́. Come help me. Wá ràn mí lọ́wọ́. Come help me. The husband, wàhálà rẹ pọ̀. You're stress. You're giving me stress. Wàhálà rẹ pọ̀. Wàhálà rẹ pọ̀. So the wife say, ṣáà máa bọ̀. Just be coming. Ṣáà máa bọ̀. Ṣáà máa bọ̀. And then the husband said, Oda mumbo. Oda mumbo. Okay, I'm coming. Oda mumbo. Okay, I'm coming. So this is a story, and if you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. If you want private tutorial, of course, you can write to me and Learn Yoruba online, and we fix it anytime according to your time zone. It's good for me. And so hopefully see you in subsequent videos. This is Learn Yoruba online.